While everyone's panicking about the economy, a quiet group of everyday people is doing the exact opposite. They're becoming Bitcoin millionaires. You probably won't hear about them on CNBC or Bloomberg. But right now, in 2025, they're stacking sats, moving smart, and preparing for what might be the biggest wealth shift of our generation. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they're doing it, and how you can too. Bitcoin isn't new anymore, but what's happening now is unlike anything before. We've entered a phase where the smart money isn't chasing hype. They're quietly building generational wealth. These new Bitcoin millionaires aren't tech geniuses or early adopters. They're nurses, teachers, small business owners, people who learned one powerful truth. You don't need to time the market, you just need time in the market. According to Glassnode and ARK Invest data, over 75% of Bitcoin holders haven't sold a single coin in the last year. That's conviction. The average Bitcoin millionaire didn't get rich overnight. They got rich from consistency. In fact, dollar cost averaging just $10 a day into Bitcoin since 2018 would now be worth over $60,000. The strategy is simple, but the mindset? That's the hard part. Here's the truth. Most people lose in crypto because they trade emotions, not strategy. They panic sell at the bottom and FOMO buy at the top. But the people who become millionaires, they play the long game. They use automation, DCA apps, and self-custody wallets. They understand Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick, it's a get-free-slowly plan. The 2024 halving already happened. Supply was cut in half again. Every single halving in Bitcoin's history has been followed by a massive bull cycle 12 to 18 months later. And right now, in 2025, all the signals are lining up. Institutional money is flowing in, ETFs are being approved, and sovereign nations are quietly stacking. This is the window where regular investors can still make millionaire moves before Wall Street fully takes over. Here's how the new millionaires are doing it. The power of DCA. Every paycheck, they invest a fixed amount into Bitcoin. When price drops, they buy more. When it rises, they still buy. No emotion, no timing, just time. This is how average people build wealth through chaos. They turn volatility into opportunity. If you want to be part of the next millionaire wave, it's not about price prediction, it's about mindset. The old system trains you to spend first, invest later, but Bitcoin flips that. You invest in your future self first, before your boss, before taxes, before the system takes its share. That's what financial independence looks like. It's not about greed, it's about freedom. Let's get practical. Here's what most new Bitcoin millionaires are using. 1. Auto DCA apps like Swan, Strike, or Cash App. 2. Cold storage wallets like Ledger or Trezor for security. 3. Portfolio trackers like CoinStats to stay informed. 4. Education, podcasts, books, and channels like this one, Money Move IQ. They don't gamble with leverage. They play the long, boring, consistent game, and it works. The question isn't, will Bitcoin go up? It's how prepared are you when it does? Because the next 2 years could define the next 20. Whether Bitcoin hits $100,000, $250,000, or beyond, the real winners will be those who acted when no one else believed. Don't wait for the headlines. Create your own. Bitcoin millionaires are being born right now, and the difference between them and everyone else isn't luck. It's action. You have 2 choices. Watch history happen or be part of it. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in your own discipline. This is Money Move IQ. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. Because the next millionaire might just be you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.